In this video, I'll show you how to install the satellite view map in GTA 5. Check my video description for these required mod videos. First, install OpenIV for GTA 5. Create a mods folder in GTA 5. Create a scripts folder in GTA 5. Install ScriptHookV and ScriptHookV.net in GTA 5. Once you've done this required mods, check my video description for this satellite view map mod and right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open copy to scripts folder, radar zoom, right click on the game and select open file location. Open the scripts and drag and drop these two files inside. Once you're done, close stuff here and open OpenIV. Select this ASI manager. Make sure all three are installed and then close and select edit mode and select yes option. Go back. Satellite map with colorful drag and drop to OpenIV. Select install option and select mods folder and select confirm installation. Once installed done, close tab here and launch the game. Once you are in game, press the escape key and you can able to see the satellite view map. I'll show you guys full zoom in. You can see exact buildings like a Google satellite map. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.